Happy morning, children. How are you all? Had your breakfast? Yes, now welcome to my English class. In previous class, we have recited the poem and some children recite the poem very well. I am very happy for that. Thank you, children. Yes, now all of you open your textbook. Which poem we are reciting, children? Tell me. Yes, that is Puppy and I. Now open the page number 29. Okay. Yes. I hope you all are very happy while reading the poem. Am I right? Yes. Now let's understand the poem. In this poem, poet is here to share his beautiful experiences during his walk. Are you excited to listen to a story? Yes. Now I am going to show you a puppet show. Let's see, listen the story and enjoy. And also you have to sing along with me. Okay? Yes. Let us move. Yes, children, by seeing these puppets, can you tell me which poem? Yes, Puppy and I. Now, let us start the poem. I met a man as I went walking. I went walking. We got talking. Man and I. Where are you going? To man I said. To man I said. Down to the village to got some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. I went walking. We got talking. Horse and I. Where are you going to horse today? Where are you going to horse today? Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a woman as I went walking. I went walking. We got talking. Woman and I. Where are you going to, woman, so early? Down to the village to get some barley. Will you come with me? No, not I. Met some rabbits as I went walking. As I went walking, we got talking. Rabbits and I. Where are you going in your brown fur coats? Your brown fur coats. Down to the village to get some oats. Will you come with us? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. I went walking. We got talking. Puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? Up to the hills to roll and play. Up to the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy said I. I will come with you, puppy said I. Yes, students, I hope you all have understood the poem by watching the puppet show. Right? Yes. Now, let me explain the poem briefly. Okay? Yes, as I said in before this, in this poem, poet is here to share his beautiful experiences during his walk. Understood? Yes, in this poem, I means poet. I is mentioned to a poet. So, when poet went to walk, To whom he met? He met first man, and both they are talking. Afterwards, who asked to man? Yes, I, that means poet. He asked to man, where are you going to, man? And while going, what he said? Down to the village to get some bread. He said, I am going to village to get some bread. Will you come with me? The man asked to him. What he said? No, not I. And afterwards, at that second time, whom he met? He met a horse. Understood? He met a horse while walking. And what happened? They got talking. Whom talking? Horse and I. And what he asked to horse? Where are you going to, horse, today? And what horse said? Down to the village to get some hay. Hay means the food of horse, that is dried grass. Understood? Here they have given the meaning. Grass that has been cut and dried for use as animal food. Hay is the food of horse. And what he said? Will you come with me? What the poet said? No, not I. And at the third time, who he met? Yes, he met two women. Right, he met two women. And there also they got talking each other. And what he asked? He asked, where are you going? Two women, so early? She said, down to the village to get some barley. He said, I am going to village to get some barley. Will you come with me? And what he said? He said, no, not I, because he is not interested to go with them to get something. Right? And fourth time, with whom he met? Yes, he met some rabbits. As he went walking, he met some rabbits, and both they are got talking. Afterwards, again he asked to rabbit, where are you going? In your brown fur coats. Brown fur coats means thick hair that grows on the body of animals. Understood? And what he said? It said, down to the village to get some oats. Oats also a food of a rabbit. It is a type of grain that is used as food for people and animals. Both people and animals have the oats. Understood? Yes. And again rabbit also asking to the poet, will you come with us? What he said? No, not I. He is not interested to go with them. And at last, with whom he met? He met a puppy. And again they are talking, and he said, where are you going this fine day, puppy? And puppy said, up to the hills to roll and play. What he said? He said, I am going up to the hills to play, to roll. And at the same time, what he said? He said, I will come with you, puppy, said poet. Understood? He is very interested to go with puppy because to roll and play with them. Understood? Yes. Yes, children. Today's English homework is you have to write down this glossary, that means meaning of these words from page number 29, and also it is in the page number 30 here. See this one. 5 glossary are there. That means 5 words are there to that. By with meanings you have to write down in your homework side. Okay, 2 times you have to write down these 5 words and their meanings neatly. Okay, understood? Yes, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.